Hallo, this is Hans, the Dutch guy, with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Nederland. Nederland. The emphasis is on the first syllable, Nederland. 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 Yes, there is an R in it, but it doesn't have to be pronounced strongly. Some even leave that R, the R, out, but we prefer a light R. Nederland. Ik woon in Nederland. I live in the Netherlands. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!